So this is the Vaughan 6-ounce soft face hammer. I just wanted to do a quick review. I purchased this recently and I couldn't quite tell how large it was from pictures online, and there weren't any videos. So in my hand you can see it's a little bit of a smaller hammer, which is really nice. You can just kind of tap things softly. It has these replaceable faces here, and its length is actually just over 10 inches. It looks like about 10 1/4 inches here. So from the pictures online, it almost looked like a full-size one. I didn't know if it was just a full size and lighter weight with a smaller head, but it is actually a little bit of a smaller hammer here, as you can see. And so I picked this up for a really good deal. It's actually a bit expensive. Like on Amazon, it's like 35 bucks. And I think even on the Vaughan website, it's $20, but then you have to pay $12-something for shipping, so it's over $30. But I found it on Zorro for $20, and then also had, I think, 25% off. So got it for about $15. Very cool little hammer. I don't know why, but I really like these smaller hammers. I was a lot of times reaching for my jeweler's hammer to kind of give some small taps to things, but this will probably be a nice replacement for that. For tapping things in place, seating things, and just having a nice little small hammer to reach for. So hopefully this is useful for someone out there that's looking into possibly purchasing this. Thanks.